What the fuck is up, guys? Trading recap. I know you see those executions, and unfortunately, it's not a big blue box day today. It's a big red day today. So, yeah, man, we took a small little loss today. Nothing too big, nothing too major, but still a little bit disappointing. Nobody likes to lose, especially not me. Um, I'm far too competitive for shit like that. But regardless, we're gonna break it down. Coming into today, insanity, man. Um, Yesterday was slight correction of price action. We had to drop down a little bit after absolutely running for the past week. Um, yeah, man. Like since Monday, we had ran up. So Thursday being a correction day was not entirely surprising. Um, but yeah, today we absolutely just to our uh ran and took all time highs again. So we had during the London session, I believe, we had swept previous day's lows. Um, let's see. Actually, not even London. During Asian session, like right after market reopened, pretty much. Um, we had the retracement to sweep our previous day's lows, tap into our hourly order block here as well. Hourly bullish order block, and absolutely running to that TP, my boy. Like it's stupid. But I said that TP, I meant to that all-time high. So we had a little hiccup here, slight correction, tap back into that order block, but respected the consequent encroachment or the 50% line of the order block here. And then we just use that as propulsion. So we're gonna shrink down again. So this was an hourly. We had this hourly bearish gap that I was waiting to see inverse, but it wasn't really as high confluence as this 15-minute here because I trade on the 1 minute. So time frame alignment, the way that goes, it'd be a 15-minute trades the 1 minute, and hourly 4 hour trades into 15, 15 trades into the one. So with that in mind, I see this 15-minute inversion fair value gap, and I say that's much higher confluence than anything else has been. So I'm gonna mark that out as our real mark that we are bullish on the day. And as you can see, we smashed it. So I'm gonna shrink down to the minute here because realistically, I don't do much on the 5 minute, except for like marking out highs and lows. We didn't do much of that today. So we had this internal high here and these internal lows, right after we had generated this candle from news here. So this was going to be our intermediate term low that I wanted to see get taken out. And this was a textbook example of the model that I trade. We had we had some sideways movement, a big displacement creating a fair value gap, and then instantly inversing that fair value gap. The only thing that would have made this better was if we had maybe tap back into this fair value gap. That would have been perfect. And along with that, we have SMT here at the lows. We have NQ had taken out these internal lows, while ES, as you can see over here, made equal lows. So that counts as SMT divergence in my book. So seeing all of that and like still not taking a trade is astonishing to me. And I'm really honestly ashamed of myself that I let myself do that, because look at what, like, we had A+ conditions and we didn't take them. So there's really nobody else to blame but myself for that. Seeing as we had swept all-time highs, I was expecting for shorts to start to play out at this point. I wanted to see a reversal off of all-time highs, but we pumped quite a bit past that as well. Kept respecting these bullish fair value gaps here. Here we didn't even tap back into it until we inversed it over here. But we were respecting these 1 minute fair value gaps on the way up. And once we had made this high, and like I should have seen, this was my target for my next long trade, right? But what I should have seen was the fact that we were making, lower lows. So we were closing lower and lower, right? So every close of the candles, we were closing lower at these highs and we were closing lower at these lows. And then once we had swept these highs, that should have been my key to think, okay, we might be changing state of delivery at this point. And I should have thought that, but I don't know why I didn't. You know, they say hindsight is 2020, and we also had SMT at these highs here. So, also was not paying attention too well to that. But FOMO can get the best of us sometimes. Wanted to see price continue to move upwards, but even though I know like price has to correct itself after big moves like that, and I'm pretty sure from this low to this high, yeah, I was gonna say it's in the discount of this range here. So I don't know, man. We had made the move down into the discount, or we were too far in the premium to be longing anyways. It was just a whole bunch of things that, Kevin wasn't paying attention to. But, that's the type of shit that comes with the game, man. But didn't lose too much today. Only about 100 across all the accounts. So capital preservation is still there. We are not making too much of a mistake on that part. But other than that, man, thank you all for watching. Hope y'all hit that like and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed and made some money today. I know this December price action has been atrocious, but as long as we keep our risk management okay, we should make it out the month all right. So yeah, guys, hope you all enjoyed. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Peace.